Hey guys.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
You have to say 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So where are we now today?
We're going to the zoo.
Seiji, where are we? Louder, louder.
We're going to zoo.
Woohoo! Finally, lockdown finished, so
Yeah.
we can go out more. So first thing we wanna do always wanna do? Yeah, always wanna do is going to the zoo.
Yeah.
with
We planned to do it
Kids.
before the lockdown ended, but anyways, we didn't get time, so now we're going. 가자, 얘들아.
가서! Ready, guys? Let's go. Seiji, let's go. We're going. Come here, hold steady. See your t-shirt? Oh.
Go.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Let's go now.
오케이, 알았어.
Do you need any drinks before we head off?
Oh, we have our Sprite, right?
Yeah, true.
Where is
All right, let's go find some animals.
it? Which one?
Mikey.
Monkey, can you point it?
I thought it'd be like $40, but it's $17. That's really
Is
cheap.
it? Okay. Oh,
It's a bit small, I think.
is it? Hello. 안녕하세요. Yeah,
Do
안녕하세요.
you like this hat? Oh, it's got a strap. Let me check. Too big.
Big is good. Seiji, we already spent some money. What do you think?
No?
That's not good, right?
Oh, yeah.
Sage, we're gonna see koalas. Can you see it? It's in the tree. He's in the tree over there. He's having a big cuddle with the tree. I lost Lee like 20 minutes ago, so hopefully I'll find him soon. And you're just drinking some water. It's really hot today, actually.
Hello. Huh? Wow.
There's one, another one. I think it's mommy, daddy, and baby.
Well, where's it going?
I don't know.
It's going to make cheese first.
Should we say bye-bye now?
Bye-bye.
They're trying to see the meerkats. What is it? Elephant. Elephant. Fiji, what's the best animal you saw? Elephant.
Elephant, 코끼리. Seiji say 코끼리.
The birdie. Oh no, he's coming to get our food.
Picnic combo.
We
How's
got
it?
hair.
Meh.
Oh, it's not gonna hurt you. Should I move over so I'll protect you? Okay, please run away anyways. Kimbo? It's a little bit squashed. Lee made it.
Mommy.
You squashed everything. Look at my kimbap.
Oh no. Okay, baby loves it. I've always wanted to have a kimbap picnic. What else do we got? Anything? Oh, just some fruit. Oh, picnic area.
Wanna go? Gonna move? We move a little bit. I will have a look and then if it looks
This
nice.
is good.
If it looks nicer. Oh yeah, we just go. Sit.
It's okay. We got a chair here. This is
Yes,
good. Oh my gosh, he made us move picnic locations. It's a lot of stairs. Oh. 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 Okay. Let's go, sis.
My legs are old.
Oh, because it's bumpy. Okay, it was worth it. The spot is good.
Mommy.
And this is so convenient. We just took the chairs out of the pram so they
Yeah,
can sit on the ground.
look at that. Bum 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 bum. It's okay, Seiji.
Here, Seiji.
It's okay, Seiji.
Oh, 괜찮아, 괜찮아.
See? It's okay.
Daddy always protect you. Annie, Daddy, Annie. Oh my god. Sometimes I just pretend I don't know him.
가져 김밥.
맛있어.
세진 맛있어요?
This is the turkey.
Okay, it's okay.
이거
Mommy, the baby wants to mommy. Daddy, it's spicy.
응.
Daddy, the turkey.
알았어. When it's coming, I will chase them. Okay?
Oh my god. Oh my god, don't you dare. Honey. No. Oh. Oh.
Okay, keep on top.
Did your dreams just come true? Getting so close to a big lizard? That's your dream.
Can you say hello to Tiger?
Oh, so cute.
Oh, I'm not doing it.
2 hours later.
We are 지쳤어?
We're pretty tired, but it's really hot, so we decided to come to the pool, which is just down the road. And I'm excited. This is the first time Lee's been at the pool with me. Usually I take the kids myself.
세지, 가자.
가자.
Sorry, 세지. Okay. Come here. Oh, 세지. Baby.
So it is 5 p.m. We just finished our swim and it's time to say goodbye. The kids are actually playing in the little pool over here, but it's really cold in this pool. Anyways, we had a really good day, so much fun, and I'm really excited watching the kids swim and Romeo seeing his animals for the first time. So yeah, it was awesome.